In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a collage in Google Photos. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone or even a computer browser, the process is straightforward and fun. Let's start by focusing on how to do this on a mobile device using the Google Photos app. First, open up the Google Photos app on your phone. This app is usually represented by a colorful pinwheel icon. If you don't see it on your home screen, you can find it by searching in your app drawer or by using your phone's search function. Once you have it open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to select the photos you want to include in your collage. Tap and hold a photo to start the selection process. You'll notice that the photo is highlighted, indicating that it's selected. You can then tap on additional photos to select them as well. You can choose anywhere from 2 to 6 photos for your collage. Some devices even allow you to select up to 9 photos. Choosing the right number of photos is important because it affects the balance and composition of your collage. With your photos selected, you can create the collage. Look for the plus symbol, which may be labeled as Add to or Create. Tap on it and then select the option for collage. Google Photos will automatically generate a collage layout for you. This automatic feature is a great time saver as it quickly arranges your photos in an appealing layout. Once the collage is created, you can customize it to better fit your vision. You have several options here. You can change the layout style if the default one doesn't suit your taste. Simply explore the different layout options available to find one you like. You can also drag the photos to rearrange them within the collage. If you want a particular photo to stand out, you can zoom in or out of each frame. If you change your mind about any of the photos, you can replace them with others from your selection. These customization options allow you to tailor the collage to your personal style. After you've perfected your collage, it's time to save it. Tap the Save button. Once saved, your collage will be stored in your Google Photos library automatically. This ensures that you can easily access it whenever you want to view, share, or print it. Remember, saving your work is crucial to prevent losing any changes you've made. At this point, you have successfully created and saved a collage using Google Photos on your mobile device. This process is simple and intuitive, allowing you to create beautiful collages in just a few minutes. Making collages is a wonderful way to showcase your favorite photos together, telling a story or capturing a moment in a unique format. If you're using a computer, the steps are quite similar, but we'll save that for another session. For now, enjoy experimenting with different photos and layouts. Don't be afraid to get creative. The more you practice, the more you'll discover the various possibilities Google Photos offers. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to create a collage in Google Photos. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you find joy in making your own collages. Until next time, keep capturing those memories and expressing your creativity.